Hi everybody.
Hello everyone.
I'm Hannah, this is Andy.
Hi.
Welcome to Shoryu Oxford. We're in Oxford today and we're going to take you through the new Shoryu DIY kit, the vegan version.
Yes.
So this is our White Natural ramen, isn't it, Andy?
Yes, that's right.
Serve this in the restaurants, very tasty, plant-based. So if
Yeah.
you're looking for something healthier,
Very light.
and no meat, obviously, and no dairy, but really deliciously creamy, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So it only takes 10 minutes to make. We're going to go through the steps here. We set up a little tabletop kitchen, and Andy's going to do all the cooking and show you how it's done. Okay, so inside the kit, it arrives chilled. It comes with all of these little chilled packs and keeps it cold for I think it's 24, 48 hours, I think, delivery.
Yep.
They can get delivered anywhere in the UK, so it's really great if you are not so confident about coming to restaurants yet, so you can get this delivered at home, or if you are having a party or camping. I went camping at the weekend. Great little camping
Absolutely,
pack,
yeah. You can bring this small stove.
Oh yes, of
Very
course.
portable.
Very good.
Easy to use. Just one click, that's it.
One click. Okay, so in each kit, it's £24 for the vegan version and £20 for our original Gamso version.
Yeah.
So what you get here is the stock. So this is 600 ml of the tonyu soya milk stock. And what's this made from, Andy?
It's made from white miso and konbu and shiitake mushroom broth. So we boil it for at least 1 hour minimum.
Lovely. 2 portions of our original hosomen noodles. So these are thin noodles, which
Yeah.
is what we have with Hakata ramen. So this is not tonkotsu, but it's our veggie vegan version.
Yes.
So it must be thin,
Yeah.
made to our bespoke ingredients.
And then we can use gluten-free noodles as well.
Yes. And then inside here, we'll open up in a minute, but this is the fried tofu.
Yeah.
So this is a topping that we will slice on top. The last thing that comes in the kit are some spring onions.
Negi, spring
Negi.
onions. Yeah.
Some people aren't keen on spring onions, so if you don't want them, just leave them out. And this,
This is a black fungus called kikurage in Japanese.
kikurage
Yeah.
mushrooms. And these are some memma.
Memma is a bamboo shoots.
Bamboo shoots. They're
Yeah.
marinated a little bit in
Yeah.
soy and some mirin, I think, is
Yes.
marinated in that. Yeah, so they're
Yeah.
all the ingredients.
Cool.
What we'll do now is get cooking. Okay. So let me get the chopping boards ready. There you go, Andy.
Okay, I'm
so,
taking over.
Yeah, you're taking over now. So
Fantastic.
I've got the instructions here. There's 13 easy steps inside.
Yep. Where's the first one, Hannah?
First one,
Yeah.
you're ahead of the game.
Absolutely. It's
Yeah.
already nearly boiled the water to boil the noodles
Yep.
and for the broth.
Yeah, so you just
Yeah.
need 2 pans for this kit.
Yeah.
400 millilitres of water, step 1. Add that to the pan, that's for the soup.
Yeah. And
we-
don't overboil. Just make it simmer for now because it will lose out the water.
Yes.
And it will end up salty. So
Yeah.
be careful with the boiling.
Yeah, we
So I
don't
turn
want to
this-
simmer off too much
Yeah.
liquid.
So-
Okay, so then we add step 2. We
Yeah,
add
you want
the
me to cut
natural
now?
stock.
Yeah, cool.
Into there.
So decant the bag. Yeah, be careful. Then pour it. And then now we going to boil this one for a few seconds. So
That's
as
added to there.
yeah,
So you're going to mix the stock with the water well to kind of
Yeah.
combine it together.
so
And we bring that, step 4, bring that to a gentle boil. And as Andy said, be careful not to simmer off too much, otherwise you're not going to have enough soup left at the end.
Yes.
Okay, so while that's coming to the boil, we're going to cut the tofu
yep,
into 4 slices.
4 slices.
So
Okay,
step 5.
So oh, nice and golden brown.
So it's a fried tofu.
Fried
so
tofu.
it holds its shape really well. It's nice and firm. So into
Yep.
4, 2 for each ramen. And then after that we are going to chop our spring onions.
Spring onion. So I set aside this for now.
Great.
Yeah. Then we're
Okay.
gonna chop the spring onion.
onions next.
So yeah, you can chop the spring onion on how you like it. So just be careful with the knife. Okay. So divide into two.
So we release kits every week, or they're released every Friday. Yeah.
Then I can open this one as well. So this is the black fungus. If you buy this in the supermarket, it's come with dry, so you just need to soak them with water for half an hour. So I put it there. Oh,
Okay, so I should
Yep.
mention that these kits are 2 portions, so every kit has 2 portions inside. £24 plus the postage and packaging. Once it gets delivered, we recommend you eat it straight away.
absolutely, yeah.
Absolutely, like for the
Yep.
freshest flavour, eat it straight away. But if you want to, you can freeze it up to a month.
Yeah.
So a month in the freezer, but defrost it fully before cooking. All right, next step, Andy. So we have chopped our spring onions, and then we've got another pan coming to the boil.
Yep.
And so once the second pan of water, just get a big pan, enough space to kind of mix your noodles around in, the big pan of water up to boil, and then we're going to cook our ramen noodles, but just for, how long are we going to cook them for?
We cook for 45 minutes. That's
No,
the standard.
seconds.
Sorry, seconds. Sorry.
Not minutes.
Oh,
Too
I'm so
soft.
sorry. Carried away. Yeah, 45 seconds.
45 seconds.
That's the standard noodle boiling for Shoryu.
Yeah.
Okay, so the water is boiling now.
Bring it to
So
boil.
bring it to
45
boil.
seconds is standard bite, but
yeah.
if you want them very hard,
Yeah, you can 15 seconds.
Yeah.
That's the barikata.
yeah, so 50
Yeah.
seconds. And I think if you want them super duper, you just dunk them in to take the
Yeah.
flour off.
Okay.
But 45 seconds is good. So as
So-
you drop them, drop them into the water,
Yeah,
Andy,
yeah.
and you need to sort of,
Sure, make sure you spread them up
yeah.
to avoid entanglement. Then just put them in water for 45 seconds. There you go.
Oh, lovely.
And make sure you stir them with your chopsticks. So, yeah.
So you want to loosen them, mix them round, especially if it's been frozen as well. You just want to make sure that you're not sticking any noodles together. So give them a good stir like Andy
Yeah.
is in the pan. And while that's on for 45 seconds,
Yep.
yeah, we also towards the end of that, with the fried tofu, we're just going to pop that in the pan with the noodles just
Yeah.
for 10 seconds just to heat it up. It's already cooked, it's already ready, so we just want to warm that
Yeah.
tofu through.
Yeah.
So we'll do that towards the end of the noodle cooking. Yeah, 10 seconds, and then we're just going to assemble it. So I'm going to get the
Yeah.
bowls ready.
So if you
Andy.
can see the noodles, it should be al dente. So you can taste them. So, yep.
Okay,
Nearly
so
there.
pop the fried tofu in just for 10 seconds.
Sure.
Keep that up. So that is, we're already on, what are we on? We're already on step 8.
There you go.
Yeah.
So I switch this off. So I don't want the water to be overflow. So can I drain the noodles?
So you can drain the noodles.
Make sure you shake the excess water.
You can do it
Yeah.
in the sink, obviously, but we're
Absolutely.
a bit far away from the sink. So.
Yeah. Okay, and then we
And then into
into the bowl, split it.
Yeah, so divide
Twice.
it evenly between the 2 bowls. And then we're going to pour the soup that's
Yeah.
been on a nice kind of
Now this one,
low
I'm gonna
boil.
put it there.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so this is boiling already. So gonna split
Yeah.
them.
So
Cool.
number 10, pour the soup over the top.
You need to divide this by 2.
Oh, nice. Look at that.
That.
That looks delicious.
Then we stir it.
Oof.
That's it.
Lovely.
And then we
Okay.
can
And
drain.
then onto the toppings.
Yeah.
So you saw Andy there, he just kind of stirred the noodles in the soup, get it nicely mixed together, make sure everything's loosened up in the bowl.
Sure.
And then he's going to assemble it all toppings on, Andy.
Yeah,
Off you
so
go.
we can assembly now.
Yeah.
Cool. So I divide the kekorage or black fungus that we have into two. So
So we've got the kikurage mushrooms, we've got the memma, we've
yeah,
got the spring onions.
spring onions. The spring onion looks so crunchy and green.
Looks nice, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Really makes it pop.
So gonna put this one.
Lovely.
And now
Okay.
the tofu.
Oh, nice. So all vegan, plant-based. It tastes so creamy. It's so delicious from the soya milk and from the white miso. It's a fantastic dish if you just want to kind of lower your meat intake.
Yeah.
Or if you're looking for a healthier alternative. And there we go.